As AI evolves, its true potential will be realized when it can autonomously handle most of our digital tasks. Remember Jarvis from Iron Man? That AI assistant that could handle literally everything in Tony Stark's digital life? Well, we're not quite at the flying suit level yet, but the AI assistant revolution is absolutely here, and it's going to change how we work forever. Let me paint you a picture of your typical workday. You're juggling multiple email accounts, trying to schedule meetings across different time zones, desperately need to take notes during calls, and somehow still need to research your next big presentation. Sound familiar? Now, imagine having a digital assistant that could handle all of that for you, without costing you an arm and a leg. That's exactly what's happening right now. Let's break down the major players who are making this AI assistant revolution possible. First up, let me tell you about an exciting new player that's making waves in this space, Fast Tracker AI. What makes them special? They've taken a completely different approach by integrating their AI assistant directly into WhatsApp and iMessage. No new apps to download, no complicated logins, just start chatting and get things done. They're claiming a less than 0.1% hallucination rate on email drafting, which is honestly incredible. You can manage multiple email accounts, convert voice to text instantly, and handle your calendar all through WhatsApp. Some of their users are reporting saving up to 10 hours per week. That's basically an entire workday. But here's where it gets really interesting. Their AI assistants are about 90% cheaper than hiring a human assistant. They work 24/7, never take sick days, and don't need training. The math is pretty simple. Businesses are going to adopt this technology fast, and individual professionals aren't far behind. Then there's Microsoft, coming in strong with their Windows Agent Arena. If you remember Microsoft's dominance in the 90s, you'll appreciate how they're trying to recreate that magic. Their AI assistant isn't just another Clippy, it's deeply integrated into Windows and can handle everything from scheduling your day to managing entire projects. Windows Agent Arena is a scalable Windows AI agent platform for testing and benchmarking multimodal, desktop AI agents. WAA supports the deployment of agents at scale using the Azure ML Cloud infrastructure, allowing for the parallel running of multiple agents and delivering quick benchmark results for hundreds of tasks in minutes, not days. WAA provides researchers and developers with a reproducible and realistic Windows OS environment for AI research, where agentic AI workflows can be tested across a diverse range of tasks. The best part? It works seamlessly with all your Microsoft apps, which, let's face it, most of us use every day. Anthropic has thrown their hat in the ring too, with some seriously impressive tech. Their AI can actually control your PC, learning from how you work and adapting to your personal style. Think of it as a digital apprentice that gets better at helping you every single day. Developers can direct Claude to use computers the way people do, by looking at a screen, moving a cursor, clicking buttons, and typing text. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the first frontier AI model to offer computer use in public beta. Asana, Canva, Cognition, DoorDash, Replit, and the browser company have already begun to explore these possibilities, carrying out tasks that require dozens, and sometimes even hundreds, of steps to complete. For example, Replit is using Claude 3.5 Sonnet's capabilities with computer use and UI navigation to develop a key feature that evaluates apps as they're being built for their Replit agent product. OpenAI, the folks behind ChatGPT, aren't sitting this one out either. Their CEO Sam Altman recently announced that by next year, their AI agents will be part of our daily lives. They're not just talking, they're backing it up with real-time speech interaction and some pretty incredible vision capabilities. Enterprises and public sector organizations around the world are developing AI agents to boost the capabilities of workforces that rely on visual information from a growing number of devices, including cameras, IoT sensors, and vehicles. To support their work, a new NVIDIA blueprint for video search and summarization will enable developers in virtually any industry to build visual AI agents that analyze video and image content. These agents can answer user questions, generate summaries, and enable alerts for specific scenarios. Part of NVIDIA Metropolis, a set of developer tools for building vision AI applications, the blueprint is a customizable workflow that combines NVIDIA computer vision and generative AI technologies. Global systems integrators and technology solutions providers including Accenture, Dell Technologies, and Lenovo are bringing the NVIDIA blueprint for visual search and summarization to businesses and cities worldwide, jumpstarting the next wave of AI applications that can be deployed to boost productivity and safety in factories, warehouses, shops, airports, traffic intersections, and more. Let's talk about what this means for the future. Industry experts are predicting this will become a $1 trillion market by 2030. That's not just hype, it's based on the simple fact that these AI assistants are getting smarter every day, becoming more accessible, and proving their worth in real-world applications. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. What about data privacy? Won't I become too dependent on AI? What about the human element? These are valid concerns. The good news is that companies like Fast Tracker AI are taking security seriously, they've got Google verification and are working on SOC 2 certification. As for dependency, think of these AI assistants like calculators. Sure, we use them all the time, but we still know how to do math. The truth is, the AI assistant revolution isn't some far-off future scenario, it's happening right now. Companies are already using these tools to dramatically increase productivity. Professionals are getting more done in less time. And the best part? This is just the beginning. By 2025, just like in the movie Her, most of us will have our own personal AI assistant in our pockets. The only question is, will you be ahead of the curve or playing catch-up?
Hello, I'm here.
Oh,